Only 3 ingredients to clear clogged arteries and reduce cholesterol naturally. There are millions of people worldwide affected by heart disease and clogged arteries. In fact, heart disease is the #1 killer in the US. It is also a major cause of disability. There are many different forms of heart disease. The most common cause of heart disease is narrowing, or blockage of the coronary arteries. But did you know that certain foods and drinks can help to cleanse the clogged arteries and increase heart functionality? In today's video, I will reveal one special recipe that cleanses the arteries and reduce cholesterol naturally. Be sure to watch till the end to learn about the benefits of this mixture and how to make it. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon below for getting regular video updates. Poor diet and a sedentary lifestyle can lead to plaque building up on the inner walls of arteries, which causes them to narrow and harden. Plaque is made up of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. Over time, plaque can block the flow of blood to the heart and other organs. Clogged arteries reduce the supply of oxygenated blood, especially if the artery becomes completely clogged. However, your eating habits can reverse this problem. You should know that good dietary choices can able to lower your bad cholesterol levels. The diet includes fruits, vegetables, and whole grain to reduce LDL cholesterol levels. In addition to these regular diets, several natural detox juice can also reverse your high cholesterol and make you healthier, which include celery, bay leaf, and lemon. Combining these 3 can be the best recipe for cleanses arteries. Because bay leaf contains eugenol, which is a natural cholesterol-lowering agent, it also helps to lower triglyceride levels. While celery root is an effective treatment for unclogging arteries. As per research, it contains a compound called 3N-butylphenidate, which has been found to reduce the buildup of plaque in arteries. Lemon is a natural source of antioxidants, which help to protect cells from damage. Lemon also contains flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. To prepare it, you will need 2 glasses of water, 4 bay leaves, 2 lemons, and 1 celery root. First, peel the celery root and thoroughly wash it in running water. Then cut it into slices of approximately 0.5 inches. After that, cut these slices into even smaller cubes. Then after, thoroughly wash out the lemons, as we will be using both the juice and peels, so we need to also wash off the pesticide residues. Next, squeeze out lemon juice in a separate container, then cut, already squeezed, both ends of each lemon in half, and cut into small cubes. Then add them into a pot along with grated celery root. Add the bay leaves and water, then cook over high heat until it starts bubbling. When it starts boiling, reduce to medium heat, and cook for 20 minutes until the celery is soft. Let it cool for 2 hours, then remove the bay leaves, and pour the liquid into a glass. Put the cooked ingredients, celery and lemon, in a blender, add the lemon juice, and blend until it becomes a smooth paste. Transfer this paste to a clean, sterilized glass jar, add some lemon slices, then close and put it in your fridge. Eat 1 teaspoon a day, half an hour before breakfast. You can eat everything in up to 60 days. Now come to the leftover cooked water, you can consume it also. Add honey to water to enhance sweetness, and consume it to boost immunity and prevent respiratory tract diseases. Try this amazing recipe and share your opinion with us. If you like the recipe, then give it a thumbs up to support us, and don't forget to share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, you can check it out here. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.